Good morning students, this is science video. We were on chapter number 8, that is reproduction in animals, and we have done many life cycles of bird, butterfly, grasshopper, cockroaches, and today we are going to start with the life cycle of a frog. So it is on page number 68. We are continuing with that page, and it's on your science textbook. Come to the page number 68. You will get the diagram and the explanation of life cycle of a frog. So you have to understand it very carefully, because these life cycles are very important to understand how the baby grows, how they get developed, and how they become adult. Is it clear? Before starting with the topic, I just want to clear one thing, that whatever the diagrams I am giving you for practice in the WhatsApp class, you have to draw it in your rough copy. No one will draw it in classwork copy. Is it clear? You have to draw it in your rough copy. That's it. Right? It is for the practice, not for the classwork work. Is it clear? So this thing I need to clear it, and let's begin with the topic, that is frog, on page number 68. So this is how it look like. That is on page number 68, life cycle of a frog. As you can see, frog lays egg. That cluster of egg is known as spawn of eggs, and we will understand by this paragraph about their life cycle. So let's begin with it. After reading this paragraph and after explaining this paragraph, I will come to this diagram. Is it clear? So the life cycle of a frog also shows metamorphosis. That means life cycle of a frog also shows metamorphosis. I have told you what is the meaning of metamorphosis. It is a process by which an young form changes into an adult form. एक छोटा बच्चा कैसे अपने आप को चेंज करके अडल्ट बन जाता है, वो है एक प्रोसेस. इस प्रोसेस का नाम मेटामॉर्फोसिस डाला गया है. ठीक है. सो अ फ्रॉग लेज 100 ऑफ एग्स इन अ लेक और पॉन्ड इज कॉल्ड क्लस्टर, इन क्लस्टर कॉल्ड स्पॉन्स. सो लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ अ फ्रॉग हमेशा मेटामॉर्फोसिस दिखाता है. मीन्स तुरंत ही बड़ा बच्चा नहीं हो जाता है. छोटा सा एक टाइनी सा टैडपोल होता है, और फिर वही धीरे धीरे वो एक अडल्ट फ्रॉग में बदल जाता है. क्लियर? सो फ्रॉग लेज 100 ऑफ एग्स इन लेक एंड पॉन्ड इन क्लस्टर कॉल्ड स्पॉन्स. फ्रॉग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पहले तो क्या करते हैं, दे ले एग इन 100 counting, right? So they lay egg in 100 of eggs. 100 के तादाद में वो लोग अंडे देते हैं. 100 की मतलब एक बार में ही 100 एग्स दे देते हैं, और उसको जो इकट्ठा जो एग्स रखे जाते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज स्पॉन्स. क्लियर? सो उनके अंडे के झुंड को क्या बोला जाता है? स्पॉन ऑफ एग्स. इज इट क्लियर? जैसे बंच ऑफ फ्लावर्स होते हैं, फूलों को अगर हम इकट्ठा करके रख देते हैं तो उनको बोलते हैं बंच ऑफ फ्लावर्स और बुके, राइट? तो ऐसे ही जब अंडे बहुत सारे रखे रहते हैं एक साथ, तो उनको बोलते हैं स्पॉन्स. इज इट क्लियर? ईच एग हैचेस इनटू अ टैडपोल. आफ्टर दैट ईच एग hatches into a tadpole. After cracking, a tadpole comes out from that egg. Is it clear? It is known as tadpole. As you can see, tadpole is just like a small fish. So tadpole looks like a small fish. It looks like a small fish. बिल्कुल छोटा सा small, ऐसे जिसके ना पाँव दिखेंगे ना हाथ दिखेंगे, only head दिखेगा. Clear? So it is a small fish that borns after hatching the egg. Is it clear? The tadpole looks like a small fish. It lives in water and breathes through gills. Sorry. It lives in water. ये पानी में ही रहते हैं और इनको सांस लेनी होती है तो ये कहाँ से लेते हैं? गिल्स से लेते हैं. We have nose to respire. That means we have nose to take in air and throw out the air. But they have gills instead of nose. Is it clear? इनके पास नोज नहीं होता है, इसीलिए इनके पास गिल्स होते हैं. इवन फिश के पास भी गिल्स होते हैं सांस लेने के लिए. क्लियर? गिल्स क्यों यूज होते हैं? हम लोग जो सांस लेते हैं वो पानी के अंदर नहीं लेते हैं. एज यू कैन सी, पानी के अंदर हमें सांस नहीं मिलती. लेकिन जो इतने भी एनिमल्स पानी के अंदर रहते हैं उनके पास गिल्स होते हैं. तो वो क्या करते हैं? पानी के अंदर जितना भी ऑक्सीजन होता है उसको एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. समझ में आ गया? That's why nature has given them gills. A tadpole feeds and grows into a baby frog which finally becomes an adult frog. एक tadpole मतलब अपना फीड लेता है. फीड मतलब जो भी उसको चारा मिलता है पानी के अंदर. चारा in the sense whatever the food it eats, right? Grows into a baby frog which finally becomes an adult frog. It grows into a baby frog. इसके बाद इसके limbs आते हैं. Limbs means they have legs and they have hands. दिख रहे होंगे tiny से. As you can see, they have tiny leg and hands. After this, they become an adult frog. Right? So this is adult frog. As you can see, they have only head and tail. A tadpole only have head and tail. Here it haven't described, but I am telling you about the frog cycle. That is, they have head and tail. Tadpole only have head and tail. They don't have limbs, right? After this, they had limbs and a tail, a tiny tail. As you can see, they have tail, right? After so many days, when they become adult, this tail loses. Means this tail vanishes. गायब हो जाती है इनकी टेल. ठीक है? जैसे ये बड़े होते हैं वैसे ही इनकी टेल धीरे धीरे गायब होने लगती है. So this is all about a life cycle of a frog. Let's conclude it. Adult frog lays egg. The cluster of eggs is known as spawns of egg. After this, each egg hatches into a tadpole. A tadpole comes out from each an egg. After this tadpole, after having its food for so many days, it becomes a baby frog. Baby frog has limbs, that means small legs and small hands and a tiny tail. After this, when it becomes an adult, its tail vanishes or loses, right? So this is all about life cycle of a frog. Tomorrow we are going to start with the fish. How the fish grows and lays egg. Is it clear? So it's on page number 69. We will start with the fish tomorrow. Thank you so much.